Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about element heat 208V for Ultrafryer part #18A056. Element heat 208V for Ultrafryer part #18A056 is a heating element designed to be used in an ultrafryer commercial deep fryer. The element is 208 volts and has a part number of 18A056. The element is made of stainless steel and is designed to provide a consistent and even heat distribution throughout the fryer. It is also designed to be easy to install and replace when needed. The element helps to ensure that the food cooked in the fryer is cooked evenly and consistently, resulting in better tasting food. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a faulty heating element in an ultra fryer. It will fix any issues related to the heating element not working properly, such as the fryer not reaching the desired temperature or taking too long to heat up. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions that come with the element heat 208V for ultrafryer part #18A056. 2. Make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials to complete the installation. 3. Turn off the power to the fryer before beginning any work on it. 4. Remove any existing elements from the fryer and disconnect them from their power source. 5. Install the new element in place of the old one, making sure to connect it securely to its power source. 6. Turn on the power to the fryer and test that it is working properly by running a few BA. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.